samlo taste the shui. Happy Thursday, March 31st. Adari day gaum cheki simodi. Never forget Tibet. Taga duye. And amla da nija duye. De amla de suli sida. Amla taste the la. Taste the lam digo. Taste the tani. Hola so. Ani movie di ta pho mamuchi ta tiri phegi gire. Ani ako successful yue gire shuye shuye in phagi kali kali jeyo. Oh, ta mall jorsu. Anda Levi's ki chonga du. Ta ngi amla pane yungu du. Sida. Amla pane parking ne yungu du. Hola so. Adi dirda Delamo Fashion Mall, Torrensky Fashion Mall. Ningjiu shu jorda. Hola so. Ande wall sida. Zemo zesa. Tobu shu ji su sha. Sports Treasure Ane Pagela Forever 21 Sida Adi Nalo Mall re Dine pa dona entrance Ane Wagi entrance di wali re Adi Levi's Sherwa Ane Pagela Gap du Oh las Pagela Jamba Juice Dua Amla pakai desha. Hola so.
Orchestrating film shoots for Hara. So, you know, he would tell Hara exactly where to shoot and what to shoot and all the rest of it. And the movie film belonged to the Tibetan government, but the still film, Hara's film, belonged to him.
Dalai Lama, you are a big shot. My job was to go and receive him, ensure his safety, and bring him back to the plains of India safely. Dalai Lama gave this to me, and this was printed, but there is his inscription in his own hand.
Wow.
That's me. That's my wife. And that's him. I had a hunch that I'm going on an important mission, and it would be useful to keep a daily record of the mission. That's Lhasa. And whenever I found respite, I dictated the day's events. I got a message from Mukti dated the 31st from Chutangmo CTM, his Chutangmo, and clear, telling us that the dignitary had entered Indian territory at about 3 p.m. and he was accompanied by about 80 men. It would be preferable if His Holiness goes through the Indian territory.
See, when I look my long time old friend, then that reminds me, now me also old. But when I look glass, my own face, it looks not that old. So meeting old friend is useful to remind me, myself also now getting older. So I very much as they appreciate. I think maybe 2 weeks or something at Bondila, his house.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, firstly, mentally, when I escaped, even if the fear about my own life,
Yeah, true.
now, the night, 17 March 1959, when I saw their face, firstly, some kind of reunion, and secondly, then completely safe.
That episode or that period has lingered on in my heart, and but more than me, His Holiness has been, as avatars are, kindness embodied. Whenever we meet and wherever we meet, He's so generous with love that I get overwhelmed.
Whole entire being, a sense of openness can feel, and you can experience that by being present with the sky. So something that you might not able to experience thinking or talking about it many hours, but sitting maybe 5-10 minutes, you feel that power.
We can all hear her baby cry. Universal. What about the Dalai Lama? What about that smile? Simple monk from the roof of the world. Living in exile. Can't go back and can't go home. What does that say to you and me? He speaks of love and compassion, even towards his enemy. Universal. Say a prayer for his people when you're driving home tonight. Universal. Say a prayer for him when you turn out the light tonight. Universal. Universal. You and I. And you and I.
ta gonda mall de to do ta temo chue su ane temo chue ne ta gonda cha sha chu zu guwa dus si da ji xiang re sha mi min do dus re sha xue yi ta gonda de ne ning jiu shu tong do Windsor